So let's get started. Firstly, you need to search for Cashify.in. Cashify is a platform to sell all kinds of gadgets at good price. Now let's see how it works. Firstly, we need to enter information regarding the gadget and then they will offer a pickup to you, which is free and you will get paid instantly. Cashify is also available on Android and iPhone. Link is in description. Let's take an example so we can also find that is this device already been sold or not. We need to click on find best offers. Please select the suitable and right information regarding your device. If no, then skip. Goes on. You can find coupon codes from Google as there are multiple websites for the same. As the time passes, the prices get dropped very fast. You will get the device report easily. You need to click on sell this device, then log in to the site to sell. After they log in, you are totally done now. Let's see more other features of Cashify. You can also repair your mobile phone screen at low price. This is only available in Gurgaon and Delhi. The next feature is they also have an invite and earn policy. When you invite your friend and when he completes the transaction, you get Paytm rupees 150. The other feature is anti-theft, which is very useful for your device. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned.